Aladdin by Twinkle. There was a poor widow woman who lived with her son, Aladdin, a long time ago. They met a mysterious stranger one day who claimed to be Aladdin's uncle. He said he could make them rich. The uncle had a job for Aladdin, so they traveled a long way until they reached a mountain. The man was really a magician. He said some magic words, and the door to a cave appeared. It was too small for the magician, so he sent Aladdin inside. He told Aladdin not to touch anything, but only to find and bring him a lamp. Aladdin found a ring and put it on. Then he found the lamp deep inside the cave. The magician wanted to take the lamp and leave Aladdin behind. But Aladdin realized it was a trick. He refused to give away the lamp, so the magician blocked the entrance with his magic. Aladdin rubbed the ring on his finger. He was surprised when a genie appeared and granted him a wish. Aladdin wished to be home and was soon back with his mother. They needed to sell the lamp to buy some food. Aladdin polished it and was shocked when a powerful genie appeared and granted him a wish. He wished for a table full of food. Aladdin became rich and powerful and married the Sultan's daughter. They lived in a beautiful palace. The magician heard about the lamp and wanted it for himself. He tricked Aladdin's wife into swapping it for a new one. Then he used the lamp's power to transport Aladdin's wife and the palace away. Aladdin returned to find everything gone, but he still had the ring. He used the genie in the ring to take him to his wife. They took back the lamp and banished the magician from the kingdom. Then Aladdin asked the genie to move the palace back to their home. They lived happily ever after. The end.